Good morning, John here. Just finished walking on the treadmill here, and totally different day today. Gonna go kayaking this afternoon, and here in the Chipmunk. I walked on the treadmill a mile and a half. Sitting here thinking there used to be a tree right here, about the size of that tulip poplar. It was the same type tree. And when I was building the house almost 40 years ago, I remember stacking the concrete forms against that tree, 8-foot forms. I wouldn't want to do that work now. I remember throwing up one day. It was real hot, and I was digging the footings and then just lifting those concrete forms. It was fun. But yeah, that tree's gone, and this one here is about the size of it that was. That tree wasn't even there then. I remember moving that, or actually watching that tree come up. But it made me think of the song by Stevie Nicks, Landslide. Talks about children getting older, and I'm getting older too. And then facing the different seasons in life. I forget how that verse goes, but yeah, some people use drugs and alcohol. I just keep walking by faith, not by sight, and so far so good. Yeah, the seasons definitely change, that's for sure. I'm 65. And watching your parents pass and thinking, wow, I'm next. Yeah, I'm next. But anyhow, gonna go kayaking this afternoon, and you can see the solar panels are in full sun right now, but you can see the shade as the sun lowers each day, closing in on winter. I'm not sure how it's going to be this winter. I guess worst case scenario, I've still got the MC4 cables over there. I could add some panels over here temporarily this winter, and bypass those if they're in the shade too much. But yeah, the garden is about on its way out. Sunflowers hanging over there. The birds are still eating on the seeds. Still picking beans and still picking cucumbers, believe it or not. And I've got some late lettuce out there in a couple of the bins. I still got to harvest my carrots. But yeah, what a beautiful morning here. Gonna get out in the kayak this afternoon. So, all right, you have a good one. God bless.